You've just finished your market research survey. Now the hard part starts. You need to clean the data, to add weighting, calculate significance, publish tables, and present the results. Introducing Dejuice, an easy, fast, and intuitive way to clean data, create tables, and view results from your survey data. Dejuice will streamline your survey data analysis with a simple drag-and-drop interface. This is Tally, our API. You'll never see her, but she's doing all the hard work in the background. She enables you to connect Dejuice to most survey platforms, automate your research data pipeline, and generate exports for online and Microsoft Office consumption. You can even report your data and tables to interactive dashboards. Dejuice is developed by market research techies for market research analysts. We believe that our time should be spent extracting valuable insights, not carrying out monotonous tasks. Work smarter, work quicker with Dejuice.